be my fourth try here on TikTok. And we all know that, you can't be politically correct on this platform. We already know that certain things and topics and issues you can't talk about on here because somehow they always mark you down and basically flag your content to the point where they absolutely suspend your channel. Now, I'm not going to say how many times I've been on here, but I know that you don't have a freedom, since we all know who control TikTok and all these other apparatuses, social media outlets. You can't say what you want to say on it. You did. So, when I do, in the future, when I do content on here, now that I'm starting to do content on here, most of my stuff I will put on Patreon. Y'all be able to visit me on Patreon. But for some of those who still remember me, y'all run into me. Y'all sub and like the video. But I'm gonna talk about this topic and what's going on. And what's going on with the white woman that was killed and the white guy that was killed up there in Minnesota. For a long time, black people have been saying that we are the canaries in the coal mine. And eventually what's going on with us, they're going to implement on you all when you start seeing the bullshit for what it is. A lot of y'all Americans, white Americans, a lot of y'all starting to come out y'all psychosis that y'all was in. A lot of y'all are starting to wake up to that you was lied to, particularly a lot of white males. Because, like I said, white supremacy is a cover that they use to tell you somehow is everybody else but the ones who really running shit. So now you got a lot of these white nationalists now running around talking about they getting discriminated against, but who's discriminating against them?